Welcome back to this Fantaskool tutorial. In this video, we will guide teachers and school administrators on how to use the progression sheets feature in Fantaskool to track syllabus coverage and generate useful statistics for academic follow-up. In many schools, one of the documents commonly requested by the Delegation of Secondary Education is a report showing the percentage of syllabus coverage for each subject. This document helps education authorities and school administrators monitor how much of the program has been covered during the academic year. To make this process easier, the Fantaskool team has introduced a feature that allows teachers to keep track of their syllabus progression directly in the system. With this feature, teachers and administrators can easily monitor lessons covered, update progression records, and view the percentage of syllabus coverage automatically. Let's see how it works. First, the teacher or school administrator needs to log in to their Fantaskool account. Once on the dashboard, go to the sidebar navigation menu. Click on Lessons, then select Progression Sheets. A new interface will appear, showing the Progression Sheet Management page. To upload or create a new progression sheet based on the format recommended by the Ministry of Secondary Education, click on the New Sheet button. A form will open where you will need to provide the required information. Start by selecting the subject. Let us select, for example, Mathematics, then choose the level X. Let us select, for example, Form 1. After that, select the academic year. Next, choose the type of lesson. This can be either practical or theory, depending on the subject and the nature of the course. Then, select the weekly load, which represents the number of teaching hours allocated to that subject per week. After that, choose the start month and the end month for the progression sheet. Once all the required information has been completed, click on Save. The system will automatically create the progression sheet. To view the details, click on the View button. Inside the progression sheet, the teacher can update the syllabus coverage as lessons are completed. Each time a lesson has been covered, the teacher simply ticks it as covered. As the teacher continues updating the sheet, Fantaskool automatically calculates and displays the percentage of syllabus coverage. This makes it easier for teachers to track their progress and for school administrators to monitor academic coverage across subjects and classes. With Fantaskool's Progression Sheets feature, schools can reduce paperwork, improve academic follow-up, and quickly access the statistics needed for reporting and supervision. Thank you for watching this Fantaskool tutorial. Stay connected for more guides on how to make school management easier and more efficient with Fantaskool.